everybody, so today I am going to be reviewing the Naty by Babycare nappies. I'm going to put them down here and move the webcam. Sorry about this. So, I've got the Naty by Naty. They're naturally breathable, chlorine and fragrance free. Top rated performance. They are natural and renewable material, GM free corn-based film. Go green without giving performance. Here's a size 1, there's 26 in there, but Thomas has got one on, and I'll show you that in a minute. £4 to £11. So, they are already opened, obviously, because I've got one on him. So, I'm just going to put them over there. You can see my mouse. So that's the nappy. This is really soft. It's got love hearts. And it's pretty plain. These are biodegradable. And that's one. Phew. Excuse my hand, that's just my eczema on my wrist. But none of you are particularly bothered. It's okay, my friends are sending me. So that's the inside. And that's really padded and really thick. So they're pretty neat inside. So now I'm going to show you them on the baby. People through the lasers and was headed towards the finish line when I got caught in a tree. I kept pulling, but it was no use. I thought it was over. Alistair stopped across the finish line, and then she came back. What are you doing? What will bring this back? And let's just move it. Right there. Sorry about this. I'm just watching the telly. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the whole suit off him. So this is it on him. It comes fairly high up on him because he's really small, but the pampers come to about here on him. Plus you can overlap the tabs, which is good. So, hold on 2 seconds. That's the back. And if I show you the inside when he's got it on, you can see they're overlapping. Yeah. Look, you've got the tabs each side. I've never seen that on a nappy before. As you can see, it just got the elasticy tip part there. His legs are really heavy, so you see, and they're really nice and fit really well. Hold on, 2 seconds, just try to put this. I'm just putting the tabs back on just so that he doesn't peel on them. I'm not really bothered about it being straight because I'm going to change his bone in a minute anyway. So that's the nappy on him, and that was my review on the Naty by Nature Babycare.